This is how you can do it.
Hello everyone, it's A-Mode with you, and today I'd like to play and show you how to play, code and build a PC in Retro Gadgets. I really like this game and I'm thinking of recording it further. So let's move on to the video itself. We create a project and make a case. And solder.
Now we put the shutdown and case removal wherever you want. Now we need to focus on the most important thing here, namely the screens that we share with each other. Now we connect the button and place it in the middle and test it. No wonder it works. We'll paint it now so it looks nice. Now we'll install everything, and by the way, this is from the button. But anyway, here's what you need here. CPU, without which nothing will work. Audio, but spoiler, I forgot to show how it works. Video, well, it's clear why this is needed. And ROM, it can use system fonts, audio, and all that, and it can use assets. Put it back and be sure to do this again. This is necessary so that what is needed is shown on the screen. I repainted the button, and now comes the most interesting part, namely the code. First, you need to create a variable. To create a variable, you first need to write local, which means that it will be a local variable and will not spread to other codes. Now we need to connect the components themselves. Well, it's connected via the GDT command, and by the way, you can see here what it does and what you need for it. Here we choose by name. Well, I'll come back when there's something important already. In short, here's how you can make the background we need. Now, let's talk about the update function that makes 60 frames per second updates and makes the game loop itself. So now we'll need to add a button so we can click on it later. And immediately write that if the button is pressed, then +1. By the way, in general this should be done equals correctly, but it is possible without this. And here you need to write not just plus exactly, but specifically coins, exactly coins +1. And at the end you need to put end, and you always have to clear the screen. Okay, I'll show you more code and tell you later. I'm finishing up the text and I'll show you something really cool. We add text and test everything. No, you also need to position the text correctly because the screen is big. It's 60 by 60, and ours is 120 by 60, and the text is made starting from the first letter. Everything works now, and you can play with it. And in the next video, I'll make a better clicker with leveling up. You can mix it up, but it can be covered by another menu. And it all works. And by the way, subscribe. To go back, you just need to turn off the device and that's it. Well, we played Retro Gadgets. Everyone was in a good mood, and there was a video afterwards. Well, by everyone, please like and subscribe.